Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I will give this indicator is available free of cost in the trading view, and this the result of this indicator you can see here. This one sell position is give you a good profit. The sell buy position here, this one and this one so on. Okay, but I will add second indicator, and the second indicator will take this accuracy from 33% to 90%. How? I will show you. Here first you have to see the accuracy is not good, but I will show you. I will add second indicator, and now the second indicator is very good. After getting the sell signal, you need to make sure here you can see the sell position, that is a good one signal. After getting the buy signal, you need to make sure do not need to open your buy position from this point. You need to open your buy position. Let me show you here, this one. You need to open your buy position from this point when the RSI is below from the lower band line and the candle come upside from the RSI. This is RSI ribbon. Okay, candle must come upside from the RSI ribbon. Okay, and the RSI should be below from the lower band line. This is upper band line, this is lower band line. So this is your exact buy position. Okay, this is your another buy position. Okay, let me show you a short example, sell example, where we got the sell position. Let's see where we got the sell position. Here you can see you got the sell position, and here you can see RSI is upside from the upper band line. You got the sell signal, so this is your perfect sell signal. Okay, you can open your one more position here and you can take profit. You need to open your one more sell position and you need to take one more take profit here. Okay, here you can see you got the buy position, but this is your exactly one more buy position, because at this point the RSI is touching to the lower band line. So this is your another buy position, and you can see the results. Okay, let me show you the results in some other pairs like Solana. In the Solana, you can see you are getting perfect position. Okay, let me show you this indicator. You will type in the indicator and you will find free of cost available in the trading view. Okay, but the second indicator is not available in the trading view. You need to contact me if you need second indicator. Okay, here you can see RSI red got the sell position, you can take profit. Okay, let's see more example. Buy position RSI green, you can take buy position, but this is your perfect buy position when the candle is upside from the RSI. So this is your buy position perfect, and you can see the results. You got the sell signal, buy signal, but this is your perfect buy position when the candle is closing upside from the RSI, and you can see the result. You need to open your one more buy position when the RSI come below from the lower band line and you got the buy signal. Here you can see the second indicator, simple hoga 4.8. Let me show you the accuracy first. It's already giving you 60% accuracy. Okay, 60% accuracy. And if you will go to the let me show you the, if you go to the study adjusted initial capital is 100. Order size you can see. Okay, you can choose the quantity tree as well. Okay, for example, you 100, and here you have need to put in each trade you have need to put $10. Okay, then in the last 14 or 15 days. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, pyramid is so small. Here you will sorry, this is orders. Okay, and if you will need order size default currency USD, and you have need to put like let me show you. You have you have also need to draw down 1% only draw down. Okay, but you have need to put around in each trade you have need to put your all $100. Okay, each time, because it will only take one trade at the time. Okay, and the maximum drawdown is 7.74%. That's actually okay, because in last 5 or 8 13 days. In 13 days you are getting profit $8. That's actually very big. That's actually fine. It's not a very good actually. But if you will put a $1,000, and if you will put $100 in each at each time, then you are getting around $100 almost in 100 in 12 to 13 days. You are getting profit around 85%. Okay, the current position is open, and let me show you. If you will go to the list of trades, okay, this is your last buy position. Here you can see, and so far it's giving you this profit. Okay, so you can see the results. Okay, overall it's giving you good profit here. Okay, and overview, that's actually fine. Okay, if you will go to the like forex pair like euro USD or gold, if you will go test, if you will go to the gold, it is giving you a 40% accuracy. And if you will see the results in 5 minute, oh sorry, 5 minute time frame, in the 15 minute you are getting accuracy around 44%, and in the 5 minute time frame you are getting accuracy 26. That's actually very bad. Okay, if you will for 1 hour time frame, 50% accuracy, and at the end it's giving you some good profit here as well. Okay, in the GPB JPY, it's giving you around 53% accuracy. Okay, and you have need to find the pair. If you do not need to buy my indicator, that's so fine. There is no complication. You do not need to want my indicator, that's fine. This indicator is free of cost, and at the end of, you can say, in the last 2 January to 8 September, it's giving you $132 profit. And if you will see the results in the 3 minute, actually I like 3 minute time frame. Okay, go to the go to the properties, and you have need to find the pair in which it's give you the good profit, like euro USD 25% not good, euro USD GF not good, USD JPY. Okay, just like if you want to use in this indicator in forex pair, you have need to find the pair in which it's give you at least 70 to 80%. Let me show you some accuracies in different pairs. Okay, in the ADA BNP. Okay, in the ADA accuracy is good one, 63%. Okay, and in the last 13 days it's give you $103 profit. That's actually good one, not a bad at all. Okay, it's LTC not good, AVX not good actually, Dodge. Actually you have need to find the pair in which it's give you good accuracy. And let me show you the results in Indian market or some other pairs like SPX is giving you $33 profit. That's actually not a bad at not a good at all. Okay, and the accuracy is good. If you will see in the bank nifty, it's not giving you good profit here. If you will see the results in 1 minute time frame, that's fine, but do not too good. Okay, so you can see the results actually. So you have need to find the pair in which you are getting good accuracy. Okay, this indicator is available free of cost, like here in OPUSD you are getting accuracy around 60% accuracy. Okay, with this profit of $100 initial capital. Okay, and 5% drawdown. That actually good one, not bad at all, because at the end of like month or maybe 2 months, you will get a from 100 you can easily make 300 or $400 easily. Okay, profit factor is not a bad at all, good one. Okay, APE, you will find different accuracies in the different pairs. Okay, like here you this one 60% accuracy in the near. In near accuracy was good here, 60 point around 61% accuracy, and $100 profit in the last you can say 10% profitable, and 6.95% drawdown. Okay, that's fine, that not a problem. Okay, So if you need the indicator, you can contact me. If you need you want to use this indicator free of cost, then of course the indicator is already available free of cost in the trading view. Just need to type this one, okay, and the indicator section, and you will find this indicator free of cost. Okay, if you need my indicators, and then you can contact me. If you need my trading view premium indicators, then you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Okay, I had decided that I will give you lot of good indicators, and of course my premium indicator as well. Okay, but if you some people do not want to buy indicators, so they can use free indicators, and they can make money. Okay. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care, must like my video, must subscribe my channel.